I will show you how to fix Steam missing file privileges error. First step, open Task Manager. Search for Steam software and right-click to end task. Type Steam here, then right-click to Run as Administrator. After opening Steam, go to Settings, search for Storage, then right side to click Repair Library. Wait a minute, if still having problems, go to Library, find the game that is still error, then right-click, then Properties, click Installed Files, then verify integrated of game files. Wait until finished. Then click Steam top left, go to Download, then click Clear Cache. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure hit subscribe button.